Good day everyone, we are Group 4. Today we are going to talk about Avogadro's law.
What do you think is the main idea of Avogadro's law? Avogadro's law is the relationship between moles and volume. So what's going to happen to the volume of a ball if you blow in more moles or air? As you increase the number of moles or air in the ball will expand, and as you increase the number of moles represented by the letter N, the volume will increase. Think of a dozen, for example. A dozen represents 12. So a mole is 6 times 10 to the 23rd. So it's a large number. Now let's say you have a ball that contains a 1 mole there. It's gonna have a volume of 22.5 liters. Now let's say if you have 2 moles of gas, the volume will increase to 44.10 liters. So as you increase the number of moles of gas, the volume will increase. So the equation that you need to know that goes with the Avogadro's law is this equation. B1 over N1 is equal to B2 over N2. This is the formula we can use when solving gas law problem that is with moles and volume.
A flexible container at an initial volume of 6.13 liter contains 31,900 mol of gas. More gas is then added to the container until it reaches a final volume of 15.5 liter. Assuming the pressure and temperature of the gas remain constant, calculate the number of moles of gas added to the container.
Solution. Step 1. Identify the quantities. With a given 6.13 liters, based on its units, it is labeled as volume. With a given 31,988 mole of gas, based on its units, it is labeled as moles. With the given 15.5 liters, based on its units, it is labeled as volume.
Step 2. Label the initial and final. N1 is 31,988 moles, and the volume that corresponds to that which is B1 is 6.13 liter, B2 is 15.5 liter, and our goal is to calculate N2.
Step 3. Identify the relationship. The relationship is directly proportional.
Step 4. Derive the formula. In deriving Avogadro's law formula, we have N1B1 equals N2B2. On our problem, we are looking for N2. To find N2, we need to derive the formula by multiplying B2 both sides so we can cancel out the same units, and only N2 will be left on the other side of the equation.
Step 5. Substitute the values. N2 is equals to 31,988 moles multiplied by 15.5 liters over 6.13 liters. Cancel the same unit, which is the liters. The answer for the numerator will be 495.984 moles.
So, N2 is equals to 495.984 mole over 6.13. That will be N2 is equals to 80.911 mole.
And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something from us in solving Avogadro's law. Thank you everyone.